In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a story and add story points in Tableau. This is an essential skill for presenting your data in a compelling narrative format, whether you're showcasing business metrics or illustrating research findings. Let's dive in and see how we can build a cohesive story in Tableau. First off, you'll want to launch your Tableau application. Once open, swiftly navigate to your current worksheet. This is where all your data visualizations are stored and accessible. Next, look for the story icon on the dashboard. Clicking on this is your initial step towards crafting your data story. Now that you have your story interface open, consider naming it. Naming your story can help keep your projects organized and easily identifiable, especially when you're working with multiple stories or sharing them with a team. You're building a narrative after all, and every good narrative needs a title to anchor it. With the story titled, it's time to start populating it with content. You can begin by adding sheets or dashboards that contain the relevant data analyses you wish to include. By selecting a sheet or dashboard and double-clicking it, you effectively add it to your story. This is where your data starts to transform into a storyline. At the top of the added sheet, you have the option to add a caption. Captions are a fantastic way to provide context and highlight the key insights of each story point. Think of these as the narratives guiding your viewers through the data journey. If you wish to add more depth to your story, you can include additional story points. To do this, simply click blank on the top left of the interface. Then, just like before, select a sheet or dashboard and double-click to append it to your ongoing story. Each addition can further elaborate on the narrative you've begun to build. Don't forget to add a caption to each new story point. This keeps your audience engaged and informed about what they are viewing. Additionally, you have the option to enrich your story by adding text. Text elements allow you to provide more detailed descriptions or insights alongside your visual data, effectively adding another layer to the storytelling. Moreover, Tableau gives you the flexibility to change the size of your story, ensuring it fits your presentation needs. You might also want to customize how your story looks. Click on the layout options to explore these customizations. You can choose different navigational styles for your story points, such as numbers, dots, or arrows, depending on what suits your presentation style best. By carefully following these steps and utilizing the features available, you can create an engaging, visually appealing story in Tableau. With your data organized into a compelling narrative, you're well on your way to making impactful presentations that bring insights to life. Happy storytelling!